Hey, it's ytlourdesalden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Zendaya for Vogue Italia, and let's right get into it. I'll be priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. From the Cara Beauty Mind Trap palette, I'll be using the shade Speed It Up on your lower lash line. From that same palette, I'll be using the shade Endless Night. On my crease, outer V, to the inner portion of the eyes, I'll be using Speed It Up. Recreating halo eyes in the inner eyelid plus a graphic angled liner on the outer V, I'll be using Endless Night. From the ColourPop Cloud Spun palette, I'll be using the shade Bon Bon at the center of my eyelids. For the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, I'll be using Jax on the outer V and the inner eyelid right next to Endless Night. Going back to Cloud Spun palette, I'll be using the shade Chico on the center of my eyelids up to the brow bone. On the inner corner of my eye, center of my eyelid, and brow bone, I'll be using Cotton Cloud. Retouching Speed It Up on the lower lash line. Lining my eyes with the Benefit the Real Extreme Precision Liner in Extra Black while also creating a winged eyeliner. Off camera, I re-added Endless Night on the outer V. On the center of my eyelids up to the brow bone, I used the shade Flossy. Priming my face with Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Covering my imperfections with LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in Natural. Setting my imperfections with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Pressed Powder in Light 6. Contouring my face with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette in Caramel Toffee. For blush, I'm keeping it neutral with ColourPop Valentine's Blush in Kiss and Tell. Highlighting my cheekbones with ColourPop Cloud Spun Shade in Chico and J-Cat Beauty Vanity Goddess Chromatic Pigment in 4th Dimension. For the lips, I mixed ColourPop Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipstick and Honey Pie, J-Cat Beauty Vanity Goddess Chromatic Pigment in 4th Dimension, and Little Lip Treatment in Lemonade. To prep for false lashes, I used the CoverGirl Lash Blast Clean in Black. For false lashes, I used the Duo Lash Glue and Ardell in Demi Wispies. For the tears, I referenced Makeup by Sarah GT on TikTok. The TikTok video as shown in the screen will be linked in the description box below. Please be careful when using hot glue gun. If you're a minor, please have adult supervision. I created the tears using a hot glue gun on a piece of parchment paper on top of a plastic plate. After letting the tears dry and cool down for 20 to 30 minutes, I painted them in Good VC Beauty Water Liner in Go-Go Boots, Bandana, and Dark Rose. Lastly, I included Glisten Wet Liner in Exler for the duochrome look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye!